Hello, good day. Welcome to Happy Angel Reading. And today, uh, we will unmask the enigmatic ally of yours. No, so you've got a secret helper, an unseen hand guiding you from the shadow. But who is this person, and what truly drives their hidden assistance to you? So this is a collective breathings. If you find this video and this message is for you, no. So the tarot cards paint a complex picture, revealing the character woven from the resilience and mystery and strength and subtle struggle. No, so let's find out, no, what his character and what his possible traits. No, we'll see that. You see right away, but we will find that out later. We will discuss. Okay, Spirit Guide, who is helping them? Tell us some. Is it for their own good? Is this really gonna help them? King of King of Cups in reverse, Queen of Swords in reverse, and Nine of Wands. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. So you got the straight hair. If you know someone who is a straight hair, no, maybe you're gonna have some hint on that. Maybe that is one of the physical traits of your helper. But let's see the tarot card meaning also, no. So the character, and then he is also average in height, so later we'll discuss that. So let's ask the tarot first. So we were given the King of Cups in reverse, so that this person's is emotionally state might be in a bit of unstable, or let's say difficult to read. Let's say na he or she could be emotionally manipulative or controlling. Their help might come with the string attached, or they might be trying to influence you for their own needs. Oh, and as you could see here, also, you got the Queen of Swords here in reverse. Well, maybe they're helping their initial judgment of you, or the situations might be quite severe, even if they don't voice it directly. No? And let's go back here with the King of Swords. Let's say this is, as you could see, the King of Cups in reverse. This is a withdrawn or repressed energy. So that persons might struggle to express his ano no, his true feelings, or making some motivations unclear. Their help might be genuine but delivered in a way that feels distant or impersonal. And this is also a moody or unpredictable, no? Maybe their willingness to help might fluctuate, or their method might be inconsistent. And this, as you could also see here, this is also potentially dishonest, or let's say deceptive. So in some extreme interpretations here, the reverse King of Cups, this is someone who is not entirely trustworthy, no? Because this is also struggling with their own emotional issue. So they might be offering help, but it's really meant for themselves. Parang they're offering help, but they are actually, let's see, it's very overwhelming, or let's say anxious, or even depressed energy, no? As I said, that the Queen of Swords here, this is the reverse. Parang let's say nga could be overly critical or harsh, while this person is helping you, their internal judgment or a situations might be quite severe even if they don't voice it directly, no? And also adding that, lacking an empathy or cold. So they might approach a problem in a very logical, detached way, perhaps without a fully understand or acknowledging the emotional impact. So this is also the Queen of Swords in reverse. Also, this we could say this is a malicious, or let's say spiteful, or this is more extreme interpretations, no? But it could also tell na a person who is harbors resentment or has a hidden agenda, even offering some assistance towards you. And this could be the Queen of Swords also. This is, we could also say his one of characteristics is dishonest and manipulative. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. And manipulative, no? So, similar to King of Cups in reverse. So, this card can also tell na someone who is not straightforward in their dealings. There's a little bit mentally foggy or scatterbrain. Let's say less sinister, but they might not be clear headed or effective in their assistance as they appear to you. But which is good thing here because you got the strength and you got the strength card here from the Nine of Wands. And this is also resilience because the Nine of Wands, these cards bring different energy, no? To those both energy to mix it, indicating that this person is resilient and persistent. So these persons have likely faced many challenge and setback in his own life and have learned to keep going. This also tells that they are tough and can endure difficulties. And this is also cautious and on guard, as you could see here. So due maybe to the past experiences, uh, these persons might be somewhat very wary or defensive. So this could be explained why their help is secret. They might be protecting themselves or assessing the situations. And this is also the nine of wands. Also, this is an experience and wise, no, in their own way. So they have been through the, let's say, through the ringer and have learned valuable lesson. So these experiences is likely what they are bringing to their assistance towards you. And the nine of wands also, this is a willingness to make a last stand, no? So this person is very prepared to fight for something they believe in. And even they are tired or feeling drained. Let's say this is also a strong-willed or perhaps stubborn. These persons have a strong inner resolve and are not easily swayed. So this can be positive, but it means they will likely see their commitment in helping you, no? So I could see here you got two characteristic, two physical tip that you were being given here. One is the straight hair, no, whether this is boy or girl, but specifically some of you may be really girl, no, majority is girl, and average of height. So that is the physical characteristic of your persons that who is trying to help you, and it's explained on this tarot card. You could see already. So combining those character here, no? Parang we could say na this person is very complex and individual, no? And this persons likely possess a deep well of resilience because of the nine of wands and have a history of overcoming adversity, no? So this experience is probably what enables them to help you. However, their emotional landscape seems troubled or guarded. Uh, these persons might be struggling with their own feelings, no, because of the King of Cups. Or they might approach interactions with degree of emotional distance, possibly even manipulations or let's say some hidden motives, no? So they could be critical, perhaps even judgmental, but they are also persistent and won't give up easily. um I could also see here, parang there's a secret, no? Help might stem from their cautious nature, a desire to control the situations without direct involvement, or perhaps even a fear or let's say fearing way. No, they are likely intelligent and observant. No, because the Queen of Swords, but this is reverse. No, so these persons are very observant, but their judgment might be clouded by their own emotional baggage or past hurt because of the King of Cups. No, reverse. So let's say you are being helped by someone who is strong and perceiving, but who also carries significant emotional complexities, which may manifest as a manipulative tendencies, or let's say emotional instability or critical and guarded demeanor. So their assistance is likely effective due to their experience, but understanding their true motivations and emotional state might be challenging. No? So, it would be beneficial to consider your specific situations and relationship with these persons to further refine, no, these interpretations. And we were given here the physical traits already, no? So I wanted to give you guidance, no, to whoever who came here. So, oh, you got a new partner coming. Ayan. So this is your a message from your spirit guide. A chance meeting is no mistake. It's a divinely orchestrated as a catalyst to set the wheels in motions for the petitions of your prayers. Pay carefully attentions to new people we send into your life. You will be recognize them by your sense of familiarity, comfort, and safety. So yes, there's an unseen forces also. There's also unseen helper that you got. So pay attention on that. So I don't know how it came, how you got this, how you will understand those tarot, what is revealing towards you, no? And the spirit guide also wanted to let you know that somebody is about to come to you. Get the new partner. It could be partner in business, or let's say this person's will help you. No, this is a real help because it came from resources. No, but maybe we will also see here. This meant to be, I think, yes, this person's might be something that he wanted to reveal himself towards you. This person's na with the king of with this characteristic, parang that is also a blessing in disguise. because maybe you are the one who will actually, let's say na, you're gonna be given this person's a karma because she busted him already. You were also, I think you have the hint already here. Oh. A straight hair. This, we'll say this is a girl also, whether you are a man or a woman who is here. This, I think this is I think this is 70% girl who got some straight hair and a little bit highlight on it, no? But it could be also, let's say a man, no? Uh, as long as you got that ano, as long as you got that traits and he is average on height. So you want more physical traits. So let's see more. What else? What else? So at least you could have some hint, no? Oh, he carry himself. He carry himself very well, and he's good in fashion. No, he's very good in fashion. Tell us more, Spirit God. Oh yeah, you could see him. He's nicely dressed. He's really good in fashions. He's really good in fashions, and he's nicely dressed. Oh, that is your ano that is your unseen helper. Okay, that is your a person who wanted who is wanting to help you, but with his own with his own, let's say, positive with his own help to his own help, not totally for you, no. Okay, I think that is all you need to know, and thank you so much, and God bless you, and I hope you enjoy our reading. So please do comment and just ask questions. I might gonna do some video on that. And always remember, you have your own free will. And if you're new to our channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notifications bell because we do live. So in our live, you have a chance to ask questions po, no? Okay, thank you and God bless you.